Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to open Explorer and properties in your Roblox Studio. Accessing these tools is very useful because they allow you to view and modify various assets and items. To ensure that you don't miss any crucial steps, please follow the entire guide without skipping ahead. So let's begin. At the top of the Roblox Studio, you'll see a bar with different options. Click on the Home button from the top of the screen, which is beside the avatar option. Move to the right side of the screen and you'll find Explorer and Properties option. Go ahead and click on it to access it. Now, once you click on it, the window will appear in the right-hand side of the screen, and then you can access it from right here. And if you want to close it, click on this cross icon and you'll be done. This way, you can access the Explorer and Properties window on your Roblox Studio. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.